This is looking like
Clock it.
You text, I might not respond.
Clock it.
And then I might post something on my story.
Clock it.
We haven't even been in a relationship long enough. I just knew if I was going to call you, I had to make it good. I know you tired of me. You tired of me. And trust me, I'm tired of me too. But guess what? We got one, okay? We got a good one. And if you know anything about Glenna, you saw how I freaked that, okay? That was a look. There's not much I can say. I did that. But I wanted to hear a little bit more about what Sensational was saying about Unit 3. That lace Unit 3, she has something for me, and so of course I had to get my hands on her. Aren't you glad I called? Aren't you glad I called? You better say yes. Hit that thumbs up button. You better say yes and comment below. I need a new alter ego. I ain't gonna hold you. Big shout out to Kai, because I saw her put it on. So I had to do my thing, but let's get into it. Can we talk, more specifically, can we talk about Sensational's Barelace Unit number 3? Y'all been talking about it. It's been a few whispers, but I really want to know, is she worth it? Because you know I picked up Glenna, and she was bad, okay? She was one of the best, okay? I don't know if y'all loved her. The color could have scared a lot of people. But one thing about me, that light ash blonde is going to do it every time. And of course, I got the Unit 3 in the same color. Now, Sensational's talking a big game. They're talking about 20% larger grid patterns. They have 40% thinner lace designs. And what I'm interested to see is if it really dissipates, you know, well onto the surface of the skin for that non-reflective matte finish that they're talking about. I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna get right into it. How are we feeling about the color? I compared this side by side to Glenna in the light ash blonde color because I'm like, you know, when you look online and then when you get it in person, depending on the lighting that you have, it looks different, but it's consistent. It's the same colorway. They were very consistent in their execution of color. So it's not for everybody, but it's for me. You let me know, okay? That color looked good on me. The lace is insanely thin, so you need to be very careful, okay? It's insanely thin. I like this. It's not giving screen door. So for all my girls, you know what I'm saying? For a more affordable price, your lace can still be high quality. So immediately, I love how thin the lace is. That's quality right there. They really did a great job. Now, when we talk about how much lace coverage we have at the crown and at the front, this is good, okay? Considering the price. Now, I love that they have an adjustable elastic band within the cap's interior. It's well ventilated. This is perfect for spring and summer because you know bob season is upon us. Of course, I wanted to know if this was going to be big head friendly. I got a big head. I got a lot of hair. And it's not in cornrows. It's not in braids. It's in twists. And it's like, it might as well be freeform locks at this point. Okay, so it fits, okay? I probably should do a better foundation, but we move. I love how low the front hairline and the hair near the ear tabs comes. I got some sideburn action, okay? Call me Ashanti. It's giving the sideburns. I love the coverage at the center, big head friendly, and it can fit and it's comfortable and it feels so light. I see the vision. I don't know if you do. Wait till I get myself together. This is looking like you text, I might not respond, and then I might post something on my story. Y'all know I will flip the hell out of a wig. Okay, I love a flip over. And so this is, I'm sorry, I'm I'm a middle part girl for the bust down, but with the bob, the side part means business, okay? Yeah. You know I had to go in to tint the lace. I like to tint the lace. I use the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I just focus that all across the entire front hairline. And then I like to set it with the bedhead spray. This is one of my favorite sprays. And because I just be doing a lot, I'm going to use this spray for the entire install. And you want to let that dry down for like 2-3 minutes. I can't even lie to you, she definitely is already shedding. We haven't even been in a relationship long enough for her to get this comfortable, but she's shedding. Do I want to pluck? Y'all know I struggle with pluck too damn much. You know, that's my thing. I pluck. I might do a little bit. I don't know how much yet. Hold on. No, but why does this look so good? Like, I really don't need to do anything. Since I'm gonna use like the spray and lay method, I think the best thing to do is just like start by trimming this lace. You just go ahead and take all of the lace on the front off. And then get your bedhead spray and just calm down. Don't be heavy-handed. A modest amount goes a long way. It's already disappearing. It's already, we know you can see the lace, but you can't really see the lace. Come on, don't do me. To be honest, I have not been wearing wigs like that, and my edges are doing so much better. I didn't want to say nothing, but I'm sitting with that. What y'all think about that? Like girl, y'all said y'all wanted crochet. I think we might be back in that season. Y'all said, I heard y'all. I've just been throwing and going. And when I tell you my hair loves that, but has anybody noticed that when you leave wigs alone, like your hair really be rejoicing? Do me a favor and get a makeup spatula. You can use the end of a rat tail comb, but if you really want to make sure that lace is making full contact with the skin, get a makeup spatula. I have it linked below. I wanted to do some adult swoops. You know, I gotta do my thing. I did pluck and tweeze just the slightest bit because, you know, the swoop, it can't be too thick. I don't like that look. But I just did a little something. It's like you can barely see them on my complexion because it's so light, but I like how it came out. And I'm just doing this to flatten everything down. And I have the hot comb set to a more moderate temperature because it looks like this hair could set fire. So just be very careful. This just makes it look more polished. I like it. Now let's see how the middle part looks like. You gotta do it with the B face. It's a little humpy. I would not do a hard part with this. I really want it to just be super flowy. Like, I see the vision. You see it. You see it. You see it. But my favorite, you know, drag it all the way to the left. But like, you gotta be careful because the tracks definitely show through. Let me figure out who I'm gonna play tonight. Sounds like a plan. So how did I do, right? You need to go add her to your cart. You already know what it is. But I tried on like a faux nose ring. I'll include a little image because I think, you know, that could take it up a little bit. Y'all let me know what you think. Nose ring or no nose ring. I'm just trying to do something different. Have fun with your looks. You know what I'm saying? Do something new every other week. That's how the girls really have fun and keep it entertaining. But I'll see y'all in the next one. I appreciate you. I love you. Should I do the ugly heart? What did it? I don't even know. Love you, and I will see you soon. No, because I love a big, fat, juicy. I wasn't going to say nothing inappropriate. I love a big, fat, juicy comb over. It means business, or it can mean for pleasure, for play,